Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I'm so fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I have come to the Thakurganj Boromat with my father. A 3-day book fair has started at Thakurganj Boromat under the initiative of Thakurganj District Administrator on the occasion of International Mother Language Day and Shohid Day. Today is the last day of this book fair. As you can see, this is a picture of the book fair in our Thakurganj district. There are many book stalls here. They are book stalls of Eco-Social Development Organization, Bangladesh Shishu Academy and Thakurganj district administration here. Now I'm going to show you the book stall of Thakurganj district book publication. People of different ages are crowding here. Some are buying books, while others come here to visit. Right now, as you can see, a book stall of poets and writers of Thakurganj. Now, I'm going to show you the books of writers and poets of Thakurganj. That's it for today. See you again in another video. Assalamualaikum.